Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 work from home jobs in the mortgage solutions industry. It's a company called ServiceLink and they are hiring for several positions. So let's get into it. The first position you see on your screen is the customer service representative ServiceLink auction. This position pays up to $21 an hour. So let's look at the overview. Are you passionate about grasping an exciting new career opportunity? ServiceLink Auction, an industry leader in property auctions, is looking for a motivated individual with strong communication and customer service skills to fill the position of customer service representative. It carries the responsibility of answering incoming calls to the company and provide customer service assistance to inquiries, requests, and any other issues presented to you during business hours with impeccable customer service. If you're eager for a dynamic new position in a growing company dedicated to supporting career development, consider growing with us in the position of closing specialist. Now, I guess the closing specialist is the same as the customer service representative. This position requires 1 to 2 weekend shifts per month. This is a remote position. A day in the life of this role, you will answer incoming calls, return calls, and provide chat support. Educate customers on company products, and the website is necessary. Assist customers with a variety of website functions. Effectively manage and route calls, data entry, customer escalation support and resolution, and partner with multiple internal departments to ensure a positive customer experience. Who you are. I will not read that to you. I'll pause the screen so you can read it. Responsibilities pretty much mirrors a day in the life of. Let's get down to the qualifications. You'll need a high school diploma or equivalent required. A bachelor's degree is preferred, but not needed. A minimum of 1 to 2 years of experience of customer service roles in a related industry. Ability to communicate clearly and professionally, both verbally and in writing. Willingness to work a flexible work schedule. Must be able to multitask. Manage your time effectively and maintain attention to detail. You must have working knowledge of Salesforce. Well, it's preferred, not required. Uh, Proficient in Microsoft Office products with an emphasis on Excel, Word, and Outlook. Must be available to work 1 to 2 weekend shifts per month. And as I mentioned earlier, this position pays up to $21 an hour. The second position we're looking at is with ServiceLink as well, and it's for team member Excess eClose. This position pays between $17 and $20 an hour. Here's the overview. I will pause so you can read that. Let's scroll down to a day in the life of. In this role, you will make sure e-closings are scheduled properly. Review orders to make sure all contacts are entered. Monitor the system to make sure integrations are working properly. Review loan documents prior to closing to confirm the borrower's signature lines match the way they are listed in the system. Assist signers with the respective platform to confirm they can log on and sign loan documents. Confirm documents are signed correctly after closing. Reject corrections and work with different e-closing platforms. What you will possess is a high school diploma or equivalent. You should be detailed and efficient and organized. You have an ability to follow instructions and work with little supervision to accompany daily tasks. You have excellent customer service and communication skills. You must have the ability to multitask in a fast paced environment, especially the ability to meet tight deadlines for our clients. And a penchant for excellence. You will use strong attention to detail to maintain our quality standards. Responsibility. Make sure e-closings are scheduled properly. Review orders to make sure all contacts are entered. Monitor the system to make sure integrations are working properly. It's basically what's in this section. There's no need to read it, but I will pause so you can. The qualifications, as we mentioned above, high school diploma or equivalent. Detail oriented, efficient, and organized. Same is here. And the third position is title curative, originations, title and close, home equity. This is a remote position. It pays between $17 and $22 an hour. So let's scroll down and look at the requirements. Here's the overview. I will pause so you can read it. A day in the life. In this role, you will review daily reports to ensure completion of assigned duties, review title commitment for clearance, and to assure all items are accounted for, including but not limited to updating payoffs, taxes, and HOA, and address inquiries from client, seller, agent, buyer's agent, and internal staff professionally and in a timely manner. Let's scroll down to the responsibilities. Review work in progress reports to ensure completion, review and respond to management inquiries as needed, respond to escalated routes and questions from customers, process orders in accordance with service link and client requirements, meet minimum daily production quota, provide direction to team members and assist the supervisors in maintaining processing timelines and production requirements, maintain open communication with team members and team leader, develop relationships with our vendors and our coworkers, perform all other duties as assigned. Qualifications: high school diploma or equivalent, practical work experience with real estate industry, proven customer service skills, proficiency with personal computers. Now, let's go back to the experience. This is very vague and overbroad, so the assumption is there is no experience really required because there's no number on it. It's not quantified. Now, the hours you're expected to work are 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is a remote position. Okay, those are the three positions that we have reviewed for today. But I want to mention something about their job listings that may be important to you. Now, the positions that I reviewed had high school diploma requirements and pretty much no experience. However, they have a bunch of other positions that pay much more. So I just want to scroll through just to give you an idea of if you have degrees, certain degrees, there are all these other positions available and they are in the $100,000 range. Many of them are on site, but many of these positions are remote. So I encourage you just to take a look through the list and good luck.